Hola! In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between male and female in Spanish. In Spanish, every word, every object has a gender. This is very, very different to English, where you use the third person it for objects. So they have a neutral gender. Let's see in Spanish an example. La mesa, the table. El armario, the wardrobe. La mesa, the table. El armario, the wardrobe. As you can see, when we say la mesa, it is female. So, de in Spanish is la for female. Table in Spanish is female. But in the second case, we use el for de. So, in Spanish, we need to use el with a male object. El armario, wardrobe, is male in Spanish. If you don't want to specify what table is, like when you say the table, you can say in English a table. In Spanish, it's the same, but we have male or female, as I said before. Let's see some examples. Una mesa, a table. Un armario, a wardrobe. Una mesa, a table. Un armario, a wardrobe. How can we identify what is female and what is male? Most of the time, you can follow a simple rule. If the word ends in a, in Spanish a, it will be female. If the word finishes in any other letter, it will be male. Let's see some examples. La rata, the rat. El ratón, the mouse. Mouse is male in Spanish, so we say el ratón. Anyway, like in any other language, we have some exceptions. Let's see some examples. El agua, the water. Agua ends in a, but is a male noun. La gente, which means the people. Gente ends in e, in Spanish e, but is a female noun. Many words have the same structure for male and female, and all you need to change is the vocal to make it male or female. Let's see. El chico, the boy. La chica, the girl. El tío, the uncle. La tía, the aunt. This rule, it is mostly used in adjectives. Let's see some examples. La chica buena, the good girl. El chico bueno, the good boy. As you can see in these two examples, the adjective good can be male or female, depending on what you're talking about. Could be bueno, male, bueno, or buena, female, buena. Let's see another example. El chico alto, the tall boy. La chica alta, the tall girl. As you see, you can say alto o alta for tall. Gracias for watching.